Hello and welcome to Trevor's Tutorials. I'm Trevor Slocum. In this tutorial, we'll learn about a few commonly used mouse buttons, how to handle mouse input, what EBbyTension touch IDs are, and how to handle touchscreen input. EBbyTension has a few constants available referring to the various buttons on a mouse, and these are just three commonly used ones. To handle mouse input, we'll call different functions in different packages depending on what we want to know. This is similar to how we handle keyboard input. If we just want to know whether a mouse button is currently pressed, we'll call EBbyTen isMouseButtonPressed. But if we want to know whether a mouse button is just starting to be pressed, or in other words, this call of update is the first call where that mouse button is being pressed, we'll call inputUtil isMouseButtonJustPressed. And if we want to know where the cursor is, we can call EBbyTen cursorPosition. But note, on mobile devices or any other devices that don't have a mouse attached, this will always return 00. Touch IDs are integers referencing touchscreen press events, and a new ID is assigned for each new press. Multi-touch is supported, meaning you can handle multiple individual presses at the same time. To handle touchscreen input, we'll supply an empty slice to inputUtil appendJustPressTouchIDs. If there's any new press events, this function will append a touch ID corresponding to each of those presses to that slice. We can keep a reference to those touch IDs, and then call EBbyTen touchPosition, which returns the XY position of one of those press events. If that press has since been released, touchPosition will return 00. Let's take a look at the code. We've added one new field to game, named Touch IDs, which is a slice of EBbyTen Touch IDs, and in Update, where we handle jump input, in addition to checking if the space key has just been pressed, we now also check if the left mouse button has just been pressed, and if there are any just pressed touch IDs. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to build our game so we can play using only a web browser. See you there.